Namaste everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. Stock number one I gave you to sell in today's session was Sun TV at 399 rupees. No, I was completely wrong here. Price took a U-turn and it closed above 430 rupees. So I'm going to write did not hit entry level. Second stock for today's session was Signity at 431 rupees. This particular stock 430.70 again, hardly any momentum. Penultimate stock was Mazda at 505 rupees. Yes, there was bit of bullish momentum. 505. Where is it? Okay, somewhere here. 59 and then 516. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 targets hit. I'm going to finish it off with Raymond at 860 rupees. So here we go on the daily chart. Raymond, come on, 860.91. The closing level was 852 rupees. Nonetheless, a decent day on 20th May 2022. Stock number one for Monday's session is none other than Axis Bank. The breakout level is above 680 rupees. Below the breakout level, you can see a well-known reversal pattern called double bottom pattern. See how the bulls became active after the formation of double bottom pattern. Here a rally which did not result in breakout, but look at the subsequent rally. It is more stronger in terms of volume as well as the range of bullish candles. Talking about targets, I won't be surprised if the round number of 700 rupees is challenged and even stock price goes over and above 800 rupees and at the end touch the level of 720 or so. Second stock in the series is Marico Limited, and once again on the daily chart we have a pattern called higher highs and higher lows. It was a low here, it was elevated to 475, and also we can draw double bottom pattern. After the formation of double bottom pattern, the low was elevated from 475 to 490, which means buyers are slowly but surely accumulating at higher levels. We have three long range bullish candles which are taking the price higher and higher. Any price momentum above 535 rupees has the strength and vigor to challenge the level of 550 rupees in Monday's session. Penultimate stock for Monday's session is Laurus Labs. This is a support level which has now become a resistance level. Look at the price action preceding the breakout level of 580 rupees. It exclusively contains not only bullish candles but the volume activity is pretty decent as well. Any price momentum above 580 rupees, for example, if you see a long range bullish candle breaking above 580 rupees along with decent or rising volume activity, buyers will be encouraged and they will surely come up with decent quantity on their own. So the collective efforts of buyers can take the price somewhere near 625 rupees. Last but certainly not the least stock for Monday's session is Amara Raja Batteries. The breakout level is well above 525 rupees. The price action is looking extremely bullish. This is our well-known bullish breakout pattern called W pattern. The previous low is hovering around 500 rupees while the current low is elevated to 510 rupees. This shows the willingness and the buying activity which took place from 12th May 2022 till 19th May 2022, and it is still going, and it has gathered steam in today's session. So any price momentum above 530 rupees can surely challenge the level of 550 rupees.